Hello my dear friends! My name is Carla, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to easily clean your home with this little helper. It's Cougar 8-in-1. Let's go! I had been looking for a simple way to make bathroom cleaning easier. This electric scrubber turned out to be exactly what I needed at home. You just turn it on and it takes care of the hard work for you. I really like how comfortable it is to hold in my hand. It easily cleans tiles and even hard to reach areas. Cleaning no longer feels tiring or unpleasant. Surfaces become clean much faster than usual. There's no need to press hard or use a lot of strength. Everything looks fresh, neat, and well cleaned without extra effort. This kind of helper truly saves time in daily life. Now I clean faster, more calmly, and without stress. Sometimes small things are exactly what make everyday life easier. If you want to see more videos from my life, don't forget to subscribe on my fans profile. See you next video, guys. Bye bye!